Do you see anything in there? I'm gonna put some shade. That's a face for Oliver Trackmaster. This is an adapted shell or tab for Revolutions Trackmaster. It's a custom shell. This face fits right there. Beautiful. Now it has been adapted and resized to fit Trackmaster Revolutions or Trackmaster 2. We have Percy here, Percy, and let me show you this. This is available on my eBay page. Check the link in the description. Here are some details. Comes with installed buffers and the face, and the only thing you gotta do is just get one of these Trackmaster, all Trackmaster 2 are now is they are all anyways, you know, all engines go are dead, I guess, or I don't know if they're gonna continue producing that. And there's, I think, I barely see the online things, you know, but it looks like they changed back to um, previous Trackmaster 1. So this one fits for the Revolutions chassis, and I say it is a good option. I do have another one, you know, for Trackmaster 1, but it requires a normal Percy. But anyways, you can get the chassis from any Trackmaster models, like a Thomas or James or whatever, and just paint the wheels if you want to paint the wheels. Well, that's my opinion. For those who likes to customize models and never had Trackmaster Revolutions Oliver, this is an option I'm showcasing now. Link below. As you notice, it's not that high. It will run through on the passes or bridges. See the lever right there? If it doesn't pass and the lever doesn't pass under the bridge or under passes, then it will not, you know, work. But since the lever is a little high, it should go. Now let me do a quick test. Compare. Here it is. This one is 3D printed, obviously. Let me see right there. It's about the same height. About the same height. The length, I think, is the same or just a little. No, it's the same length. See there? It's the same length. Well, it's an option, you know. Link in the description. Trackmaster 2 Oliver. Trying to. Okay, I'm gonna show you very real close. It needs paint, obviously. It's just for customizing these models. I'm considering to add some faces. I'm still working. Maybe I add them. If I don't add the faces, I mean, this is I'll think about it. You know, it takes time to. Let me explain you something before we proceed. You can adapt any model to Trackmaster. You can make your own 3D prints with the help of AI. AI. So check, you know, you need to just do some research and find the AI software that you wish to operate. Some of those are cheap, some of those are expensive. I try a cheap model AI generator, and it works really good. And in about 4 to 6 hours, or sometimes 8 hours, you have printed this thing. You can print anything with the AI now. You know, nowadays you can do anything you want. Don't ask me where I get the AI software. There are so many options out there. You can pick whatever you want, and they will generate you your your model. Just show some pictures, upload some pictures that you want to generate, and the AI software makes you a perfect file, STL file for your application. You know, you can even make a exact prop replica, exact season one models or whatever you want to tell the AI to do for you. It will definitely do it for you. But like I say, just do your research. Some of those AI generators, like they are cheap, like a 30 to $50 a month. Other generators are up to $1,000. I used something very cheap, and I did a few adjustments. Yeah, AI generator is the best option you can do. Anything, 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 and do a little tweaks here and there. But obviously, once you print, you're gonna find out if you print on this, if this kind of filament 3D printers, they are not as good as a the other ones like resin 3D printers. Um, that's the reason I keep this very low cost, low price for you guys. If you remember, Shapeways used to have this service for $80. $80, you can get just the shell, the top. I remember seeing those. I was tempted to buy this Daisy, $80, but it was really rough print with a very, I think was the double the size of these lines. And to achieve this pretty close to these lines back in the days, I don't know if they still have it. I mean, these thin lines here, you had to pay $120, $120 just for the shell, just the top. And you had to obviously add the face for another $20. You can check those on Reddit or other pages, and you see that I'm not lying. I think it was about 4 years ago. I wanted to do that. I mean, buy the file for my custom before I get into the 3D printing. But I mean, I have this very cheap, you guys, very cheap. But you can try also Shapeways. I think they still have selling these custom models or shells or tops for $80 to $150 on Shapeways. But anyways, I have my option here. If you guys are interested, check the link in the description. It will directly to my you to my eBay store, and they are available right there. Cool. Other thing, I do not taking any requests right now because there are a lot of people selling prints too. They do not even include the faces, but some people ask me if I can put the decals, but I do not have time. I barely had time to make this video and showcase a little bit, guys. But thank you for your business, everybody, for your support. Thank you very much. So if you continue with the support, I can keep the prices down, and then you can customize. I've seen a lot of people making a really good customs, painting the faces, and it's a good hobby to spend time out of this, out of screen or those phones or the TV or whatever, or the game, video games. But anyways, check the link in the description.